curse the thought of every person that has spoken negatively about your character, about your virtue, about your integrity, about your personality. I curse the thinking of every person that thinks they can block your idea, your business, your assignment, and your anointing. I curse every person that's been thinking about setting you up with a trap and with a sabotage and with witchcraft. I curse the thinking of every co-worker, every supervisor, every ex, every neighbor that does not want you to flourish in the will of God.